Good morning, world. It's 5:35. I'll show you. 5:35 a.m. in the morning, and of course, it's coffee time. Look, it's not a joke. Okay, so I'll show you how I make my favorite coffee. So this is the brand I'm using. Can you see it? So this is my favorite coffee, so I'll make it right now and I'll show you what I put inside. Only 3 ingredients. Favorite coffee to start the best day with. Stay tuned. Now my coffee is ready. This is how it looks like. One of my favorite cups. I have several, but this is one of the favorite ones. And what I put in my coffee, pure collagen. This is a brand that I really love, and the surprising element is this one, guys. Oops. Yes, that's right, unsweetened dairy whip. It's amazing. So in each coffee you're getting probably about 70, 80, 100 calories max. Depends on the quantity of this guy here. Anyway, so I'll show you. 0 carb, doesn't spike your insulin, and it's so favorite, you know, to start your day with a dessert. Wow. Okay, so I'll show you how I make. I usually, okay, so this is my teaspoon. I'm gonna put, let me show you. Here we go. So I'm gonna put 2 or 3 of teaspoons of collagen. Of course we need collagen, especially at certain age. Okay, mix it together. Mix it, and then I need this. Shake it very well and just spray some generous amount. Okay, here we go. This is how it looks like. It's amazing. Oops. So this is my favorite coffee, guys, to start my day with, even at 5:30, you know. Cheers. It's amazing. Now I can conquer the world. Bye. Thank me later.